Rightio, I've got the Goldstrike on. Initially, I was kind of impressed. I've never used tungsten before, but I thought I could get more out of it, get it cutting quicker, and that's what's going on now. Probably the third sharpen before I've nearly dialed it in to how I want. I'm pretty impressed. Now, I just come across this. I've just cut this log up. That was like these round bits here. So fairly dirty, not too bad, but a bit of dirt there and that. And then have a look here. What's going on in here? Oh, it's just a bit of rubbish there. That's probably a bit of foil in that. Plastic. Yeah, it's going well. I'm starting to like the chain more and more because I cut this the other day and out of the box, cut free off this. That's got a lot of mud and that there, and straight through that. These, but now I've got a bit more speed about it since I've given it a sharpen. So that's the Goldstrike from Farm Acre & Co.